Have you lost your mojo? This all-new scooter is going to help you get your mojo back. The Mojo is the first and only mobility scooter to combine the ease and convenience of a folding scooter with the option to quickly split the scooter into two smaller pieces for easier and lighter lifting. No more struggling with a heavy scooter. The Mojo Scooter opens in seconds in just 3 easy steps. 1, 2, 3. And the Mojo Auto Fold automatically opens and closes simply by pressing the remote. It's like magic. Wow, look at that go!
Opening and closing the scooter with a remote keeps me from having to bend over. The arthritis in my back and hands makes it difficult for me to bend and take apart most other scooters. My Mojo Auto Fold scooter has taken me around the world. I love my Mojo Scooter.
The Mojo and the Mojo Auto Fold scooters are designed to fold down to fit in the smallest of spaces. Its lightweight magnesium alloy construction is durable and can hold a rider up to 300 pounds. No need to bend or reach far to insert the batteries or charge the scooter. Everything you need is close at hand.
I have used my Mojo on vacation, in stores, and all around the neighborhood. It's so easy to use. I'm really loving it. Some days I'm not feeling strong enough to lift the scooter. It's great to have the option to split it in two. I am so thankful for this scooter. I go everywhere now.
The Mojo and the Mojo Auto Fold meets FAA requirements for airline travel. Take the Mojo wherever you go. It's the best travel companion. With impressive 13-mile battery range, this scooter can get you far. What else, you ask? How about an informative digital display, LED headlight, adjustable tiller, comfortable seating, adjustable armrests, a folding basket, and even a horn? Enhance mobility, enhance your life.